Welcome to the Not From Earth app. Use your camera to detect alien visitors. Then expose their appearance, place them on alien planets and share your findings. Just drag on any button for related help. We've made the app easy for humans. This button, for example, launches the built-in depth portrait camera. To begin, let's select a photo for evaluation. Your app will detect off-world visitors, descendants and more. Use the Unmask button at the bottom to expose this hybrid. Your app finds the most likely appearance. Unmasking shows what they look like. Drag back and forth to unmask. Drag up and down to adjust the alpha. Humans seem to love touch dragging. Let's examine some of the other buttons. When the train button is green, tap it to install a new AI image recognition module. There is no need to upload photos to distant servers. The segment button isolates a being from their original background, or not. You may change the exposure effect at any time. Include new eyes or add a face mask. There are hundreds of original appearance exposure effects. They cannot hide. The Planets button is used to explore the distant planets known to harbor intelligent life. Touch swipe through the planets and select, or you can import your own background. Share your discoveries almost anywhere. Warn your friends and family of off-worlders walking among us. Next, let's test another photo for their origin. This adorable girl must certainly be human. Wait, she's a pure alien. Finally, let's unmask this alien. Thanks for watching and please visit the Not From Earth website.